Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Saturday, October 14th. Time is around 10:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the Wanda platform. So it's Saturday, markets are closed, but we will have a look at the higher time frame and also prepare the lower time frame for Monday, October 16th. So here we are looking at the weekly chart, and my take on the FTSE is that we did a wave one up right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that we are now working on a correction as a wave two down here. Now, there's also an alternative scenario in the FTSE in the higher time frame, and that would be that we have our wave one here, wave two here, and that this was a wave three. So not 5 waves yet, but only 3 waves so far. And then it might be that we are doing here a triangle to finish as a wave four, and then from this wave four we have a final impulse as a wave five. So for the moment, this is a bit hard to say because as long as you do not have the triangle, it is difficult to make a case for a triangle, because it can like we don't have to do this triangle. It can also be like a normal corrective behavior, not a special structure like the triangle. So in the higher time frame, I'm a bit indifferent between the two scenarios. It's also not really like helping us to decide which trade to take on the lower time frame. And yeah, as an investor, I think for the moment you have nothing to look for in the FTSE, because this is going nowhere. So if you want to trade the higher time frame, the only thing you can do is waiting, I believe. So therefore, we will go to the lower time frame. In the daily, corrective behavior, like I told you, we are doing nice structures, actually nice corrective structures. So we are nicely moving in three. We are reacting from the areas that do matter. But what this corrective structure here will mean in the weekly, I think we will only know in a few months. So I think the most important thing now is to consider like the lower time frame. And so I believe that if I have to put a structure on this, no matter if we will get the triangle outcome or the wave two outcome, I think this move here is not finished yet. I think we will go into this area, and so what we have then is like a bigger W X Y structure, and this wave X here is unfolding as another WXY structure, and it simply looks like this Y leg is still missing, and this is where we are currently working on, in my opinion. And so then I believe this Y leg is again unfolding as another WXY. As you can see, we reacted nicely here from the wave X area after doing another WXY correction right here. Nice reaction to the upside. So it looks like we will complete this wave Y here. So in the weekly, we could not really identify a cycle. In the daily, we got out of this downward cycle. Now it looks like we are establishing an upward cycle, but again, that does not that does not really give us much information. If you're moving corrective, you just switch from downward to upward, from upward to downward. It's yeah, like there is not really a trend here that we can consider. So therefore, yeah, only really the lower time frame truly matters in the FTSE. And so then if we go to the 4 hour, so like I told you, nice reaction here from the wave X area. This was the wave X area. So if we take here the length of the wave W, then we should have had a reaction from the area between the zero 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. This is the wave X area. And we've also been more specific on this wave X area by taking here this WXY structure like this, the length of wave W, the length of wave X, and then we should have had reaction from the area between the 1 and the 1.618 area, the area where our wave Y should end. And this also happened here, a nice reaction to the upside from this area. And so now I believe we finished a wave A here. So this wave A, and this wave A is part of an ABC structure as a wave W. So then the next logical step would be to go into this area right here, this wave B area. So if we take here the length of our wave A, then this area here between the 0.5 and the 0.854 area, I'm sorry, the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement becomes the target for our wave B. Now, if we go to the lower time frame, so this here is our wave B area, but like so normally we should reach this area. This is also what my system is saying and how I trade accordingly. But now in this particular case, I think that we will not reach this area. And the reason I'm saying this is by looking at the other indices, it looks like the other indices have a complete downward structure on the lower time frame. So on the 1 hour, on the 15-minute, it looks like they have a complete structure, and that they are or that they are close to have a complete structure, and that would mean that they can have upside again, unless a completely bearish scenario plays out in the lower time frame, which also means a completely bearish scenario in the higher time frame for the other indices. It means that they would take out this this low here, so this low in the FTSE, but in the other indices it has a more important meaning than the low here in the FTSE. So taking out this low in the other indices would open the door to way more bearishness in the higher time frame. And so this would not be my main expectation now, but it can happen. And if they follow my primary scenario, which would mean more upside first in the lower time frame, then the FTSE will also turn up, and that would mean that we will not reach this wave B area. And actually, like if we look at the 15-minute, we have enough here. So this WXY is, I'm sorry, yeah, right here, of course, this WXY is a complete correction. So if we have to go into this wave B area, then my path would be a WXY like this. And the wave W is made of this first WXY pattern, but it can be that we simply stop right here and that we turn up from here, so that we only have actually a shallow wave, wave B. So this is something to take into account. I believe that this time we will not reach the wave B area. In the secondary scenario, it could also be that we are doing an impulse up, and so that we take out this high from here, and then it would mean a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. So this is wave 4 area, and then a fifth wave up, and then turning down again. But my RSI analysis does not really support this. It looks like this here, this part looks like a new cycle. It looks like this here has nothing to do anymore with this structure. So yeah, could be wave B finished right here, and that we do not reach this area. However, if we have to reach this area, I would again call for another WXY structure, with this wave W being in right now. Then we should see upside as a wave X, and then downside again as a wave Y. However, there is a possibility that wave B is in here, and that we further move up from here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you back on Monday for another analysis of the lower time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.